As an introvert, I know how tough it can be simply to ask somebody out, let alone need to determine what you're going to do and state on a date. Introverts have a great deal of wonderful strengths, numerous of which individuals are recently pertaining to value, but interacting with individuals is definitely not one of them. With a little work and some dating suggestions, you'll have the ability to have a good time and you may simply hit it off. Your job is not to seek for love, but simply to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Rumi, here are 7 dating ideas to take the stress and awkwardness out of that very first, or next, date. 1. When something special is turning up, we want to make a huge impression. Nevertheless, our first disposition is often to buy brand new things or act in a different way, thinking that who we are now isn't sufficient. It is great to wish to tidy yourself up a bit, but be mindful not to swing too far the other way and wind up providing yourself as someone you're not on your date. Whether they're an introvert or not, opening up about yourself at the ideal time can be really captivating and reveals the other individual you're ready to sincere. 2. Pick something short and fun. Every introvert is various, however, among the most typical characteristics of introverts is exhaustion from long-lasting exposure to groups of individuals. For that factor, you should choose somewhere in something that is brief and punchy like supper and laser tag or a funny program. Ultimately, you want the ideal combination of time to talk and get to understand each other and time to simply have a good time with one another with little talking, in that order. Pick something you're familiar with on the subject of selecting the ideal type of location, or locations, to go on your date. Aside from selecting something brief and enjoyable, it's likewise crucial to go with what you're currently knowledgeable about. Like the first point, we tend to think we need to do something grand to impress our date. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.